Hello, Ilana from the Bureau here with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Thursday the 16th of July. Tomorrow, this very large and strong high pressure system will continue slowly tracking towards the southeast, bringing dry and settled conditions to many. We're sure to see some extensive fog and frost through southeastern parts of the country tomorrow. There are, however, a couple of weather systems on each side of the country bringing us some wet weather. To start with, we have this moist southeasterly flow combined with a trough near the New South Wales and Queensland border areas, bringing some enhanced shower activity to those regions. And out west, we have a cold front which will bring some rain and thunderstorms, some heavy falls possible about the southwest of Western Australia. Let's now take a look state by state, and we'll start in Queensland. Now, the bulk of that showery weather tomorrow will be about the southeast. We're going to have some gusty winds and showers developing south of about Gari here. We could see some thunderstorms about Moreton and Stradbroke Islands. Further north up the coast, it will be dry through central parts, but we could see some isolated shower activity north of about Tully. Further inland, of course, it is another dry and sunny day. For Brisbane tomorrow, 21 degrees, and we could see some light showers. For New South Wales, it will be settled inland with plenty of fog and frost. We do have some showery activity about our eastern districts along the coast north of about Wollongong. Now, further north of about Coffs Harbour, we have the chance of some heavier showers developing. Now, these showers are likely to persist for the next few days, so it's worthwhile keeping an eye on the rainfall through this area. For Sydney tomorrow, it will be 18 degrees with some possible showers developing near the coast. And for Canberra, a frosty start, then a sunny day with a top of 15. A settled start for Victoria as well. Plenty of fog, particularly through northern inland parts. Now, through the south, we're going to see some low cloud and a bit of that cloud persisting with some isolated shower activity. For Melbourne, it will be 15 degrees, a partly cloudy day with a possible light shower. For Tasmania, this westerly flow will continue to bring some cloud and some lighter shower activity to western parts. It will be another dry day in the east with some fog and frost about the northeast tomorrow morning. For Hobart, it will be a partly cloudy day with a top of 15. For South Australia, another dry and settled day under the influence of this very strong high pressure ridge. We're going to see plenty of fog through the southeast quadrant of the state, but for Adelaide, we're not expecting it to be as foggy as it was this morning. Adelaide is going to see a sunny day with a top of 16 degrees, and really across much of the state, we're going to see these cooler than average temperatures. Western Australia is going to see a shift in the weather pattern tomorrow. We have this next cold front starting to move through. Now, ahead of that, we continue to see warmer than average temperatures reaching up to 6 to 8 degrees warmer than average for this time of year. Now, this cold front is going to bring a band of rain and storms through the southwest in the morning and then reaching Perth in the afternoon. This system is going to bring with it some thunderstorms, particularly near the coast. Now, we could see some heavy falls and some gusty winds through the central and lower west, including the risk of some flash flooding around Perth. Now, as the day goes on, this system will continue to track onwards. Those showers will extend as far north as Geraldton and as far east as Esperance. But for these areas further inland, those rainfall totals will really drop off. For Perth tomorrow, we'll see 22 degrees, certainly still above average for this time of year, and we're going to see a wet and stormy day developing. In the Northern Territory, pretty typical weather still for this time of year as the high pressure ridge directs dry southeasterly air all the way up towards the top end. For Darwin tomorrow, it's going to be 20 degrees, a little bit cooler of a morning than it has been, and then 32 degrees and sunny in the afternoon. And if you're heading down to Uluru or Alice Springs, it'll be sunny with a top of 19. That's all for our national weather forecast. If you'd like some more information, please visit us at the Bureau's website, app or social media. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.